In this video, I'm going to show you how to airplane mode on Monopoly Go. To get you started, the first thing that you will need to do is to open Monopoly Go while your Wi-Fi is on. It's impossible to open the platform if your device Wi-Fi setting or mobile connection is turned off, since Monopoly Go is an online game. After that, go ahead and turn off the Wi-Fi or the mobile data on your device. After that, go ahead and turn on the airplane mode on your device. Now, head back to Monopoly Go and try using some of your chances to roll the dice. Turning off your internet and setting it to airplane mode will allow you to move your icon, and once you reopen the platform, you'll still have the same number of rolls. After that, go ahead and head over to your app info or Monopoly Go app info by long pressing the application and clicking on the app info. Now in here, go ahead and click on clear data. Make sure to clear all of your data along with your cache on Monopoly Go. Go ahead and uninstall the Monopoly Go application on your device and reinstall it once you have turned on your internet connection. So this will allow you to stop the progress that you have rolled the dice or used up your dice on Monopoly Go. Now, once you head back to Monopoly Go, you should be able to find your piece on the table where it was before. Now, if you follow the steps and this didn't work out for your Monopoly Go account, what you can do is to just go ahead, try using a VPN to be able to access the platform, and that's how you can simply do airplane mode on Monopoly Go. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.